You okay? You're shaking your bun? You happy? Yeah. I don't like when you do that. Sometimes he does this thing where he goes, like, he looks like he's about to puke, but I don't know what causes it. Like, I'm like, oh god, here it comes. But he's not. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna put you down now, okay? Jesus Christ. You put me on a fucking animal abuse compilation jumping out of my goddamn hands. I do got something pretty big, though. Guys? Guys, I'm glad I can share this moment with you. Uh-oh. Oh, hang on. Let me mute alerts for half a second. I'll come back, I promise. Um, guys, I had to tear the shipping label to shreds. I look like a feral cat, but I wonder if it's a different letter this time. I will read it. It's here. Holy shiny. Oh, I guess it didn't want to see you anymore. Holy shiny. 1 million. 1 million. Man, let's see if it's different this time. It might be different. One channel, one mission, one channel, and one more thing. 1 million subscribers, congratulations. You may have started with just a few viewers, but your voice, passion, and creativity now touch the lives of people around the world. And community you've built is enriched by stories you shared and bring people together. To honor this milestone, we're proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. We hope this special recognition will remind you how much you mean to so many. Every day you are redefining how content is created, watched, one voice, and one video at a time. It is a privilege to be part of your journey. We can't wait to see what you do next. That is actually different. That's different than the silver play buttons. I can't tell if this is a small one. No, I don't think it's smaller. I think it's the real. I think it's the normal size. Where is the? Oh, these. Keep that. Hello, sir. You got tired of barking downstairs and came back up? Look at you can see you guys. You can see yourselves. Hi, chat. Look at you can see you guys talking. Say hi to yourselves. Well, it's actually kind of hard to see. Say hi to yourselves. All right. If you were here for the redecoration stream yesterday, hello, camera. Okay, whatever. I don't mind. I'm getting up anyways. I got to do a little bit of rearranging. So first off, grab one of these. And now I think we got to do this. I think Salamence and friends move over. Salamence and Rayquaza move over. I think this one goes down here. This goes up here. That's 2. Comes down. And then I always keep this 2. Yeah, they're different sizes. They just downscaled the silver play buttons over time. I think I move this one over. And then these. I know, guys. It's so exciting. It's exciting. Thoughts? I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, yeah. Scratch your butt on the carpet. Yeah, scratch your butt on the carpet in excitement.